Papunta ako ngayon sa LTO to renew the registration nitong ating Vespa. See ya. So we've just finished less than an hour. La da 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 da. You can actually do this online through the LTMS portal, but your vehicle records have to be linked to your portal account. But mine isn't, so I have to be physically at the LTO district office. It's almost 1 p.m, so traffic na. Now, before we move on to the details about the LTO registration renewal, I'd like to share with you some things about this chest mount that I'm using. But if you're not interested, you could fast forward to the latter part of the video. Hi! So this is a chest harness phone mount. So if you wanna go on a walking tour, I purchased this last week. Actually, nalabhan ko na to kasi sobrang tapang nung amoy ng chemical. So, ready to use na. Now, I don't know how to remove it. Ay, ayun. Ayan. So, originally, nakahiwalay ito. Kasali itong iba pang items. May kasama siyang phone mount, by the way. So, ikakabit mo siya. Ginawa ko is, ini-slide ko to. Ayan ha. I-slide ko siya dito. Pak. Dito mo ikakabit itong phone mount. But I'm not gonna use my phone. I'm actually going to LTO to renew my registration para sa scooter. So, I'm gonna use my Insta360. Kaya lang, itong bracket na lang kasi right now I'm transferring files. So, ito, you have to have a bracket. It didn't come with this, so you have to buy this separately. May dati na akong ganito. I-slide mo siya dito. Kung kailan kailangang i-shoot, hindi ma-shoot. Yan. And then, of course, it comes with a tiny, not too tiny, it's a screw that's gonna lock this in place. So, ikutin mo lang siya dyan. And then, you can move this to the direction na gusto mo. And then, you just wear this. So, just imagine may camera dito. Hindi ko lang siya nilagay. That's it. Okay, let's try this on. See if sakto ba siya sa akin or if it's any good. For its price, mukha namang okay yung materials. Stretchable siya and then i-lock mo lang na ganyan. Since I'm a small girl, malamang pag nakamotor ako, hindi mo matatanaw sa camera yung daan. So this, I think, would be good for walking tours or if you're gonna go on hiking para libre yung kamay mo. Pwede mong panghawak sa iba pa maliban sa camera. I just found out na meron palang extension. Dinirekta ko kasi siya dito, ikinabit ko siya dito, direkta. Pero, pwede ko siyang dugtungan para umakyat ng konti and then maitaas yung camera. I'm gonna try it again in my, well, next ride to the palengke perhaps. Kung ikinabit ko to, aakyat pa siya ng konti. That's what we'll find out. What's happening? Ganyan talaga kapag gusto mong i-showcase. Doon siya nag-attitude. Ayun. Ayan. So, naipasok na. And then, dito ko dapat inilagay ang... Anyway, there's another screw naman eh. Which I've lost, I think. Let me look for it first. Yeah, there used to be a part that's called the second screw. I'll have to look for it. So, yan. Siguro, kung nagamit ko tong extension na to, naiangat ko yung posisyon ng camera at natanaw yung kalsada. So, posible siyang magamit sa ride. So, my bad. Maybe next time. Eto ha, ngayon ko lang napag-alaman na this bracket or frame pala for the Insta360 X3 comes with this part. And then, Allen wrench. Ito yun. So, I'm guessing this would be the folding fingers. But it's not folding. But I guess this is that part. So, ito yung gagamitin mong pang-attach sa mount, pa-horizontal.
Kasi kapag pa-vertical nga naman, mas prone sa pagtungo, 'di ba? So, doing, ganun siya. 'Di ba? Yan. So, we're not gonna use this next time. We'll attach this instead and then connect it to the mount horizontally. Ayan. Ito, may screw here and then there's this Allen wrench. Okay. Yun lang, konting update. Renewal.
Ay, ito?
Oo.
3 years yan, Fred!
Oo. Ha?
May mission insurance na kayo?
Wala ito?
Wala pa.
Oo.
Oras nga lang po. Kampi nyo parada ma'am, kasi testingan yan eh. At dito na lang.
Dito na lang.
Kasi may po parada ko.
Vespa.
May pagkatang ko kayo nito?
Oo.
May X na.
Oo.
Sa motor, 570.
Sa emission to ko. Yung insurance.
Mamaya na.
Mamaya na lang.
Pagkapos na natin yung presyo. Sa harap lang. Parang speaker ko dyan ma.
Wala. Ano lang to? Ba't nawala yung pera ko? Ay, ayun.
Ayun tumito yung mga.
Ay, wala ko yan.
Welcome to my vlog. Ano nag-vlog kayo ma'am?
Ano lang? Wala, maliit lang na channel. Lipat ko dito. Okay na yan? There was literally no one else queuing up for emission testing, so I only waited for less than 5 minutes. A few moments later, Kuya Shoutout came back with the documents showing my vehicle passed the emission test and guided me to the room next door to pay for the insurance, which is for 560 pesos. Inilipat kong muli ang motor para magpa-stencil at inabutan ko ng 50 pesos ang Kuya Stencil for the assistance. I then went to the LTO windows and had my vehicle records entered into the system. Para next time, pwede na ako ng online registration. I don't know, maybe it's the day of the week or the time of the day, pero mabibilang mo sa kamay ang mga nakapila noon. Kaya in less than 10 minutes ay nakuha ko na ang certificate of registration for 190 pesos. So we've just finished renewing the registration of
the motorcycle. Less than an hour. Kasi ang konti nung tao when I got there. So, swerte lang.
Yaman din lamang na natapos mo ang video na ito. Pwede bang mag-request ng like and subscribe? And leave a comment kung hindi man ito pagmamalabis. See you in our next video and thank you so much for your support.